Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Understanding Python Dictionaries, a comprehensive tutorial. Dictionaries are a powerful and versatile data structure in Python, allowing you to store and retrieve data in key-value pairs. They are mutable, unordered, and can store any type of data. In this tutorial, we will explore the basics of dictionaries in Python, understand their syntax, and delve into various operations and methods associated with them. Creating a dictionary is straightforward. You can define it using curly braces and separate key-value pairs with colons. Here's an example. You can access the values in a dictionary by providing the corresponding key in square brackets. For example, dictionaries are mutable, meaning you can modify their content. To update a value or add a new key-value pair, you can simply assign a new value to an existing key or introduce a new key. To remove an element from a dictionary, you can use the pop method or the del statement. The pop method removes the item with the specified key and returns its value.